Hi guys, so today I am showing you how I make my traditional cornbread dressing. I'm going to start off with some cornbread, the main ingredient. I use just the yellow cornbread, cornmeal mix, whatever the recipe is on the back, go with that. I don't add sugar though. And I'm also adding a pack of stovetop stuffing mix. I think that's the sage and herb one. We're going to go ahead and hit that with some chicken broth. I use two of the very large containers of chicken broth, and after I get it all in, I'm going to let it sit so it can all soak in. You want your bread to start getting soft at this point. Now I'm hitting it with my vegetables. I got green peppers, celery, onions, and a large can of cream of chicken soup. Then I add a couple of eggs beaten. And now I'm gonna start mashing that with my potato masher. Back in the day I used to go in and do it with my hand, old school, but the potato mash works just as well. So we're gonna stir it in real good, and now we're going in with our seasonings. I add to this kosher salt, pepper, sage, thyme, and poultry seasoning. I kind of season to taste. Stir it up and taste, and then mix some more in according to how you want your flavor profile to be. It might seem like I'm doing a lot here, but I'm really not. You got to keep in mind that it's going to be a full pan of dressing once I'm done. I'll probably add more black pepper than anything because I like a really rich dressing. Once I get all of the ingredients stirred in real well, I actually add like a couple of tablespoons of vegetable oil to this also. But once I get everything added in, I add a couple of drops of brownie mix. You got to be very careful with this because you literally only need a few drops. Earlier, I took 2 chicken quarters and added it to my dressing pan. I topped it off with some margarine or butter. I don't remember. You can use either or. And I hit the bottom of the pan with just a little bit of chicken broth. You don't need much because the chicken creates its own juices. Now that my chickens have broiled in the oven, I am going to add my dressing on top of that. Once you have all your dressing in the pan, you can go ahead and place it in the oven. Let it cook until it's golden. I normally do about 400 degrees for an hour, hour and a half. And there you have it. Traditional cornbread dressing. I hope you enjoy and have a blessed Thanksgiving.